Welcome to PhetrichGallery. Let me show you how to create this glow effect in Adobe Photoshop. Type your word. Choose Auto Glow from Layer Styles. Choose any color you want. Press Ctrl plus C or Command C to copy it. Follow my settings. Now, add a drop shadow. Press Ctrl V or Command V to paste the color you copied earlier here. Follow these settings. Click on the plus icon to add another drop shadow. Press OK when done. Right click on the layer and choose Copy Layer Style. Draw a rectangle using the rectangular tool. Set stroke color to white, no fill color. Right click and click on Paste Layer Style. On the layer mask, choose the brush tool. Choose the hard round brush. Opacity and flow to 100% and foreground color to black. Follow the process. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.